बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है जस्टिस। जस्टिस को हम अंडर लॉ स्टडी कर लेते हैं। व्हाट इज़ जस्टिस? Justice is a habit which makes a man capable of doing what is just and of being just in action and in an intention. जॉन रॉल्स जो है उनके अकॉर्डिंग क्या है? John Rawls claims that justice is the first virtue of social institutions, as truth is of system of thought. The perpetual and constant will to render to each one his right. Justice is an action in accordance with the requirements of some law. Justice is often used interchangeably with the word fairness, because we have this desire for equality and fairness. The assurance of justice is usually a prerequisite for a good society. For a leader to have legitimacy among his or her constituents, he or she must find ways to ensure that the laws of the land are just and administered justly. For the offender, justice means that crimes don't go unpunished, but also that punishment fits the crime. For a victim, justice may be seeing a criminal put behind bars, or it may be monetary. The goal is to make the victim feel equal again. What justice ensures? Justice ensures that people receive their fair share of the goods available, that people receive fair treatment from society's institutions, that people's action conform to rules of fair play, and that any injustice are adequate addressed. Understanding of justice. Justice as harmony. Plato's definition of justice is that justice is the having and doing of what is in one's own. A just man is a man in just the right place, doing his best and giving the precise equivalent of what he has received. This applies both at the individual level and at the universal level. Justice as divine command. Justice as a divine law is commanding, and indeed the whole of morality is the authoritative command. God embodies these laws and is thereof neither higher or nor lower than the law. He sets an example for the good people among men to follow his way, and also become an embodiment of the highest principles and morals. Justice as a natural law. It involves the system of consequences that naturally derives from any action or choice. It is similar to the laws of physics in the same way as the third of Newton's law of motion. Justice requires, according to individuals or groups, what they actually deserve, merit, or are entitled to. Justice on this account is a universal and absolute concept. Laws, principles, religions, etc. are merely attempts to codify that concept, sometimes with results that entirely contradict the true nature of system. Justice as a human creation. Justice may be understood as a human creation rather than a discovery of harmony, divine command, or natural law. Justice as a mutual agreement. Justice is derived from the mutual agreement of everyone concerned, or in many variants, from what they would agree to under hypothetical conditions, including equality and absence of bias. So this is the topic of justice in this video. Thank you so much.